Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Discord application on your device. Join any voice channel or call, then at the bottom left under Voice Connect, click on the second option, Share Your Screen. Click on Application because screen will not allow you to share audio. Remember that Discord will not allow you to screen share applications that are in full screen mode. If the audio is still not working, tap on the gear icon located at the bottom left under Voice Connect. Under App Settings, click on Voice and Video. Scroll down, and on the screen share section, toggle off the Use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. If these steps are still not working, we recommend re-downloading Discord and rebooting your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.